typically our messaging, or what we're telling growers who maybe are not as familiar with precision technology, a good way to get started is something as simple as like our Cruiser 2, which is GPS and guidance, and they can add on automatic steering or assisted steering to that. That's a good way to get started in precision ag. Very simple to use, and then they can add on like automatic section control and things like that for planter or for sprayer. And those products are, again, they're simple to use. It's a good way to get started, and they're going to see a good quick return on investment on those, especially on automatic section control. We hear, guys, in a season or two, that investment is going to pay for itself. And then that also allows them to become more comfortable with the technology, and then they can build on from there. And then for the more progressive guys, or the folks who are kind of more an earlier adopter, they're really interested in learning more about maybe data management. So they have all these precision tools, field computers, they've been using them for a while, and they're collecting all this data, and now they want a better way to manage that data. So that's when a product like Slingshot maybe enters the picture, and they can transfer data wirelessly. We have some of our Slingshot API partners here, so maybe they're already using data management software, and Slingshot with our API platform is an open but controlled platform for them to integrate into their existing software. And what that's going to help them do is just better manage that data. They can take their planting, fertilizer, harvest data, maybe overlay it, and then make decisions for next year based, variable rate planning. That's a new kind of emergent technology in the planter world, and some guys are starting to adopt that. And then you can do variable rate fertilizer. So again, all that data they can collect and make decisions for the next season, and at the end of the day, whether it's an early adopter or somebody who's new to precision technology, they're going to see a good ROI on all of those tools. They're going to see increased yields and increased profits, and at the end of the day, that's what we're trying to help them do. A good example is our new MultiHybrid planter solution here, and some of the feedback that we've heard from the guys that are testing that is being able to switch a hybrid on the fly, the amount of downtime that eliminates for them, and they have just such a short window to get things done anyway, and anything that you can do to help them get done planning faster but then more efficiently, and proper seed spacing, proper placement, that's going to increase their yields. So we're able to save them time, reduce the amount of inputs that they have to put in, but also grow more food, and that's huge for them. And again, our customers, they have a small amount of time to get done what they need to get done, so any efficiencies that they can gain and inputs saved is helps everybody. We have technologies just across the board, so advanced planter controls, but we also have basic GPS guidance. So we just encourage growers to reach out to us directly or contact their local Raven dealer, and just kind of get an overview and an assessment of, this is what you have today, and be it basic GPS guidance or maybe Slingshot and an advanced planter control system with OmniRow. There's technologies across the board. It doesn't matter if you have 500 acres or 5,000 acres. There's different ways that you can be helped and get efficiencies gained. So we just encourage people to reach out to us directly or contact a Raven dealer and see what technologies are available and how they can improve your operation.